Good morning, humans. XZanthia here, and we are still in Oregon, probably delayed for about another couple of days, and we're going back up into the mountains. It's so beautiful here. Hello humans, Oregon here, and today I am in XZanthia picking some blackberries and putting them in XZanthia. That was a gross one. I found an abandoned road. I'm following it. Maybe there's an abandoned house. I abandoned Noah again, way behind me somewhere. I don't even know if he's coming. I keep doing that. So a good shot. That's why you don't break into people's houses. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, there's no walking around in this house. Said there's no walking around in this house. I mean, like the basement's caved in. Wow, there's all these amazing, like, abandoned roadways all over the mountains here. We just found another one. Bugs in my eyes. It's getting dark now, so we're not going to do too much hiking today. But a couple of days ago, we found, like, a really cool old bridge and a hole I crawled in.
Ooh, mushrooms.
Wow, this is so magical. My stick is too big. It's a millipede.
Oh, millipede. He got scared.
You scared him? Hello?
That's his only defense. It's cool, it's spotted.
Are these birch trees? Where are these? Are birch trees out here? No, I don't think these are birch trees. No. Huh. What are you? What are you? Wow, look at this moss. There's so many kinds. Oh, it's so beautiful. And a lichen? Yeah, it does look like. Look at all the lichen. I'd be liking some lichen. Well, it's going to be getting dark soon, so we're going to be heading back, and I'm going to be doing a lot of editing. I'm going to be making some new intros and outros. Here's one that I made right now.
I would like to thank you so very much for making it to the end of my video. And if you could like, comment, and subscribe, and click on that little bell there so you know when I post a new video. I post a new video every day. And if you have any friends that are cool enough to share my video with, that would be cool. Because cool people, you know, we should stick together.
I don't have enough views yet to monetize my YouTube here, so I do truly appreciate anyone that can subscribe to my Patreon. Those you guys, you my Patreon subscribers, oh my god, I thank you so very much. Without you, I could not possibly make videos like this. This is all your fault, and I thank you. Thank you.
It's incredible. It's incredible. Seasons will come as the north.